Your next car could be the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.